Steam region change, how to use and add fonts. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Steam region. So first, go ahead and move or travel to the new country. Steam only allows region changes if you're physically in the new country. Now, once you're on the new country, go ahead and make a purchase. So head over into the Steam store and then make a purchase. And then in here, go ahead and click on this add to cart button and then click on view my cart, and then in here go ahead and click on continue to payment, and that will take you to the payment method section. So as you can see in here, there are a few payment methods you can choose from. So this would vary depending on the region where you're currently in. So Steam will prompt you to update your store country once you have bought this item when you're on the country that you're currently in, and then confirm the region change. And then once the purchase is complete, your Steam store will reflect the new region and prices will now appear in local currency. And that is how you can basically change region on Steam.